tu ni ho pi zangam sunga pathin thil sim hoi ta ti ho wedding in ka pa in ai poida ovin to hi hel sanga tu hung water for ki hi khata sanga sang khai ki ho gam sunga hin awun men so loi la pai ki ho gam ma khalo ho he kan do sa den hevin ana be hoi am not done he water for he alam pi ha he zingen song le amung he tin nga hele hewa pi hung dong pe he song pheng le ta atunga hung dong he te ton i na hele ana ma zingenไปนั่นคือล้วนตาเห็ดแบบเดียวเลยก็ที่ซีมคอยดังของที่แบบที่ไหนเลยเป็นตัวตอนที่ว่าไอ้นี่ไอ้ลูกคุณก็เอาเลยลายมุนหินร้อยเลยไปบ่อยแต่บังก็ที่ซีมคอยน้ำมันเอามาให้เลยก็คือบางที่ไหนเลยลายมุนหินก็เป็นสิ่งที่เราดูจนอาหุ่นมันก็เซลีนในเฮลวิน everyone is most welcome to visit this waterfall aku ngaku na yung suka na nila tama hindi ako na kailangan
creation gazed upon his face the ageless one in time's embrace unveiled the Father's plan of reconciling God and man. Second Adam walked the earth, whose blameless life would break the curse, whose death would set us free to live with Him eternally. Hallelujah, let all creation stand and sing.
Office ang sumali namin ng so le ano ya panatan daw ka sung peng na lang sung peng na ta to nga anal ba din kabahit ka Sure, you do ba niya?
Excursion kasi uwi. Hopi sa waterfall. Ano mama niya?
He calls the sun to wake the dawn and run the course of day till evening falls in crimson rays. His anger proves in flakes of snow. Upon his burning glow, he charts the eagle's fly, commands the newborn baby's cry.
Kabasa hanggang na minra.
Hutu dan nandiyan eh. Hopi
Hopis ang water for here. Nung where ka?
The wonders of creation's king.
Amel sabi ka. Sabay ka mo. Wow! Doon na sana. Happy na waterfall. Happy nung where ka? Nani ko yun. Sila nga po. Dan ko ako na. Wala na. Ah, ito yun. Deo mo, hopi ba waterfall? Oh, huwag ang mata mo. Saan yan ka? Ngập nó sẵn à? À, này con đấy vào kìa.
Creation longs for his return when Christ shall reign.